Still scooping litter every single day? What if the best automatic cat litter box could save you time, control odors, and keep your home cleaner with almost zero effort? In today's video, we're revealing the smartest self-cleaning litter boxes, including top-rated picks. Go and check, the price links are in the description. Let's jump in. If your cat hates closed spaces, this one could be a game changer. The Neakasa M1 Plus uses an open-top design that feels more natural and comfortable, especially for larger cats or picky pets that avoid enclosed litter boxes. But the real win is the automatic self-cleaning system that removes waste for you, so your cat gets a fresh box almost every time. It also features 360-degree safety sensors that pause the cleaning cycle whenever your cat gets near, giving you extra peace of mind. Odor control is strong, leak protection is solid, and the roomy design makes it perfect for multi-cat homes. If you want less scooping and a smarter setup, this is a top-tier option. Want smart features without paying premium flagship prices? The Cumrige self-cleaning litter box delivers impressive value. It automatically cleans after each use, helping keep litter fresh and reducing the mess that builds up fast in busy homes. One standout feature is the app control, letting you manage cleaning cycles and monitor activity right from your phone. That's incredibly useful if you're away often or just love convenience. Safety sensors stop the unit when your cat is nearby, and the large capacity means less frequent emptying. For owners who want a balance of affordability, technology, and daily convenience, this one is definitely worth a look. Some cats simply refuse to use enclosed litter boxes, and that's where this model shines. With its open-top design, it feels more spacious and welcoming while still giving you hands-free cleaning convenience. After each use, waste is separated automatically into the large storage bin, meaning fewer cleanups for you. It also includes app control, so you can check status, manage cycles, and stay in control from anywhere. Safety sensors help protect curious pets, while odor control keeps the room fresher. If you have multiple cats and need a roomy automatic option without the closed box feel, this is a strong contender. If easy maintenance is your top priority, the Fumoi automatic cat litter box deserves attention. It offers automatic waste removal, smart app controls, and one feature many owners will love, a removable washable liner. That makes deep cleaning much easier compared to models with awkward interiors. It's built with a large capacity, making it ideal for homes with multiple cats, and the sensor system pauses operation whenever your cat approaches. Odor control is solid, setup is simple, and the sleek grey design blends well in modern homes. If you want convenience without extra hassle, Fumoi is a smart pick. Not everyone wants electronics, and honestly, some cat owners prefer something built to last. This stainless steel XL litter box is a premium traditional option with serious durability. Unlike plastic boxes, stainless steel resists odors, stains, and scratches, helping it stay fresher over time. The enclosed high-sided design helps contain litter scatter and prevents leaks, making it excellent for big cats or messy diggers. It also includes a litter mat and metal scoop, which adds extra value right away. If you'd rather skip motors and apps but still want a cleaner, longer-lasting litter setup, this one is a fantastic alternative. For today, I hope this list helped you choose the best automatic litter box, and if you find something you like, don't forget to check the description to find the links of all the cat litter boxes.